MySudo versus Hushed, which private number app is best in 2025? If privacy matters to you, burner number apps are more relevant than ever. MySudo and Hushed are two leaders, but they work very differently. Most people don't realize that until it's too late. MySudo focuses on long-term privacy. It allows you to create multiple identities, each with its own phone number, email, and messaging. This is ideal for compartmentalizing your digital life. Hushed is more flexible and temporary. You can get a number quickly for short-term use like online listings or travel. You won't believe this difference. MySudo does not require personal information like email verification for every identity, which boosts privacy. Hushed, however, offers international numbers and pay-as-you-go options, which MySudo lacks. Most people get this wrong by using Hushed for long-term privacy. It's better suited for temporary anonymity. Pricing also differs. MySudo uses subscription tiers, while Hushed allows one-time purchases and renewals. The surprising truth is that MySudo is closer to a privacy management tool, while Hushed is a burner number service. In 2025, choose MySudo if you want structured, ongoing privacy. Choose Hushed if you need quick, disposable numbers. Match the app to your use case, not the marketing. Subscribe for more privacy tech comparisons that cut through the hype.